is going on, everyone, and welcome to Kart 6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by and checking out another one of my videos, or if you're new here, thank you for checking out this here video. On that note, if you didn't mind hitting a like on the video, possibly subscribing to the channel, that would be fantastic. I have to do that rigmarole every single video because you never know who's going to be new here. I appreciate every single one of you that come back and check my videos out on a weekly basis. I think that's fantastic. But those new people, they need to be welcomed in. Come home. Check this place out. So, all right. For a little bit here now on Thursdays, I did one new product, but I've been doing track tack. In the series of the track tack preps I happen to have in my cabinets here. I will say up front that I am running low. I only have a couple more, so if this isn't your favorite series, then just give me a little bit longer, and it'll be all over with. I'm gonna put all these videos down in the playlist that is the track tack series that I have created there. And today's video is going to be on Tire Tuff, the OG. The original Tire Tuff Brown. It is an internal prep. Juxtapose, is that how you say it? Juxtapose? Anyway, the opposite of mint, which would be external. This is more for the internal. Tire Tuff OG Brown, and I say OG, original. It says original brown on the package here. We're gonna do a little zoom up here. I think this is the only way this comes. I haven't seen it in anything more than, what is this, a pint? I haven't seen it in a bigger quart or gallon or anything like that. It doesn't mean it doesn't exist, but this is the only way I've ever seen it. So what is this product? Like I said before there, I covered the video on mint. So mint would be external only. There is a component in mint that will not pass through a tire from the inside out. Well, the original version of that was the brown. So the same concept as the mint from the outside goes from the inside. So why are you going to use this? So if you are a weekly racer, say, you only have a budget for a certain amount of tires. Say it's a Burris track. You want your tires to last as long as they can. I mean, Burris lasts forever to begin with. Or you're having a tire that you think that maybe it's drying out a little bit and maybe it could use some more oils to freshen the tread back up. This is going to help in that aspect. It is going to it's going to change the chemical compound of the tire slightly to be able to take a little more abuse. So for you Saturday night racers, you run this on the inside to outside. You're going to have to roll it, and get it into the tread, but it should expand the life cycle of your tire. So you're not going to have to buy so many tires. This is all in theory. It really depends on what you're doing to the outside, tire pressure, how aggressive you're being with prep. All those things can make your tire last less long. This should help counteract that to make them last a little bit longer. Also, I like to blend other preps with this. So if I'm putting, Tire Tuff Mint in this, I might put something like GK1 with it. I might put some like SQS just to give the tire a little more bite from the internal aspect, but also to help that out. So, the oils are back in the tire. So it's going to help, promote the life of the tire. So, I once upon a drift heard that you don't apply this from the outside. Now, that being said, that doesn't make much sense. And then further down the road, I don't know if I asked the question or somebody brought it to me that they wipe this on the external for essentially the same reason. And I said, oh, that's internal only. And they said, why is it internal only? And I'm like, that is a good question. That doesn't make any sense. If it can go from internal to external, just not vice versa, like mint, like what I was saying, then it only makes sense that you probably could wipe this on the outside and get the same desired effect. So those of you who don't have a roller, if you don't have a hot box, if you don't have a tire roller, maybe just some wipes from the outside, will seep into the tread. Now, it's not going to permeate all the way through the tread like an internal prep would. Maybe that's, the justification for why not to prep from the outside and only do the inside. At least that's the justification I'm going to use. That this is just something I like to use mint from the outside. I love to use this from for the inside, even if I'm blending it with something else to add bite to the tire. So there you go. Tire Tuff Original Brown. A very, very good prop. Something that maybe you Saturday night. Boy, I almost made it. I almost made it through a whole video without screwing up really bad. Something for you Saturday night racers that are looking to improve the longevity of your tires. I will see you guys again Sunday with a new video. So thank you very much for stopping by once again, and later.